Hello, well, we're back, just like I promised we'd come back. And we finally got what was stuck on the spark plug that came off of the plug wire, as you can see. And we had to bring in some help because we tried all day to pull that sucker off of there, and it was crimped on too tight. We couldn't get our hands back there. So this is Matt. Matt, say hi to the audience.
Hey.
Okay, he is finishing up the job for us now, and he's putting the spark plug wires on. As we promised, we would put them all back on. And so now that we've got this piece of metal out from causing all the problems, we're going to put the new wires on the car.
Why did you do that for?
Because I'm putting them on the
He's putting them in yeah, he's putting them on the clamp.
Oh.
And we have the other two clamps. Did you give them to him?
Yeah, they're right here though.
All right. And then eventually we'll fix this. That kind of broke. It's in a bad spot.
Okay. Got this one.
Oh, he's putting it in the clip that's back there, huh?
Yeah.
Here, you wanna? Ooh, oh, sorry.
I'm pretty sure that they can see what he's doing. I know I can, so.
Down a little far, I think.
It's just not. It's not really grabbing it like the other one is.
It's not?
I think it's the little clamps that go on the wires back there. I think one's a little bit stretched out.
Okay, now.
The clamps don't matter.
It's not a big deal anymore.
Yeah. Okay, so now the third, is that number 3? Yeah, number 3 is going to go all the way down and around and over to the far left side. In the same order as this pattern here. And we already did the first 3.
Hey, no, but look.
We've already done the first 3. They're in the right order. We already did the first 3 on a different video. It's called part 1. This would be part 3 right here. Only because the backside gave us such trouble.
And they're all on.
Oh yeah,
making sure
okay, yeah.
Making sure they're all on here.
Then we just got to put coolant in your overflow. But before we can do anything, we got to fix this little guy right here.
No,
that's right. They're right. Because we followed them down the exact same way they came off of this. That's why I did one at a time.
But the one over on this side, which is this one, goes to this first one.
No, it goes to the same side as it. You're just seeing it that way because we have to feed them through like that. It is going to that one. This one is going to that one right there.
Yeah, it is. This one goes all the way back here.
Yep. And then that one goes to that one back there. That one goes to the middle one, and that one goes to this one here. And plus, they're remember they were the lengths, so you can only do it that way anyhow. We went. This is the shortest to the next longest to the longest.
Yeah.
So you can only do them that way anyhow.
Right. Yeah.
So they're in order.
It's a little different if you're working like a 5.0.
Yeah.
Yeah, but according to this thing, this says it's 1. And according to this, if you turn the diagram sideways, that one over there is 1.
Yeah, it's backwards on my diagram, is all. This is 1. All you got to do is remember that they are the length of how they go. And plus, that's the reason why I didn't take them off all at once.
Is this your firing order?
This is the fire, well, this is about, yeah.
That's the firing order. These are on correctly.
So
These are the only ones you really have to worry about.
So that's 1, 2, 3,
Yep.
4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
So.
Actually, yeah. But see,
I mean, really,
4, 6.
if you don't know.
No, those are on right. Those
was
yes.
sure.
Those ones I know I did.
That one wasn't on. I just clicked that one on.
Oh, thank you. This is a pain in the ass, man. I'm talking a pain in the ass.
Are you still recording?
A lot of times,
Yeah.
She was just, you know, getting to what you're working on.
See, look at this shit though. See how long those are for them to be like that? That's a pain. They were a pain in the ass to put on this car. Because why did they make them like that? It didn't even make any sense to me. But anyway, so these are all on now. We got to put the whole car back together, of course, because as you can see, we took it all apart in order to get to that one plug. So thank you, everybody. And, well, we can't really fire it up right now because we got to put it back together. Are we going to put this back together tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's almost done.
Well, I know. We have to put it all back together now. We took it apart.
That's not going to be that hard. The hard
But-
part's over.
You're right.
Yeah, well. Yeah, it's just a pain in the neck. Don't forget about that, though.
I'm just worried about it. It don't seem...
It is the right firing order. I'm telling you, it is. It is.
Yeah, see, I mean, yeah. Okay, I see the one you.
Besides,
pointed off there.
we didn't take any of these off. We did them each one at a time
Where's the?
to the thing. So it had to have gone that way because we didn't remove them from here.
What's that?
I don't know.
What's that deal sticking out? What is it? Is it trying to say that's this or something?
Yeah, it's just the way it is. It's...
Hey, so
No,
Flip
this
it
is
around.
The engine. This is supposed to be the engine. This is supposed to be the ignition coil.
Okay, folks. Well, thanks for joining me.